Swain wrote this song. It sounds like it's about a girl. It's about a dog. It's called Bitten. Pictures that I leave beside the door, asking me the wrong things, who they're of and what they're for. Let them fade away like memories in the snow. Find a place to think when feeling so alone. How are you morning so slow? We ain't got no neighbors to care what we sow. Where do you bury your own? We might lie forever to sleep under stone. Gonna go by the rocks down the Windman Road. I know somewhere you go where the grass gets in your eyes, between your ears and in your mind. She never lets you ride. Running down that windy road right to your front door. Find your lucky dimes, just a joy for living more. And rain will turn to sleet and it'll infiltrate your dreams. To freeze what was soggy goes busting at the seams. Rushing out from windward like your deepest fear. It's her love dirty, but forced your hand to steer. How are you morning so slow? You ain't got no neighbors to care what we sow. Where do you bury your own? We might lie forever to sleep under stone. Gonna go by the rocks down a Windman Road. It's the darkest in November. Dark will sleep here as I'm coming home. The wind might come to see her, just to tear away her bones. Now she seeks a weary comfort from the wailings and news of the world, slumbering right through the silence when she might not have heard. How are you morning so slow? We ain't got no neighbors to care what we sow. Where do you bury your own? We might lie forever to sleep under stone and hope that the wind never tears at our bones. Darkness will sleep here as I'm coming home to go by the rocks down a Windman Road. Thanks.